Chapter 9. Be self-reliant. Poem. Self-reliance. I realize now that I am alone. On myself I must learn to rely. I have to begin to stand on my own. If I fail, I must continue to try. I can ask others for their opinions, but ultimately it's I who'll decide. I'll be the ruler of my dominion, determining which road I'll take with pride, though some may disagree with my choices, thinking they know a better path to take, though people in abuse raise their voices. It's up to me my destiny to make. By being true to myself, I begin to learn how to stand alone, how to win. Story.
पाठ 14 ਝੂਠ ਇੱਕ ਬੁਰੀ ਆਦਤ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ।
We often hear mothers admonish their children. Mothers are not annoyed with their kids. They just want them to grow up. They want them to be self-reliant.
पाठ 14 ਝੂਠ ਇੱਕ ਬੁਰੀ ਆਦਤ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਰੋਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਫੀ ਦੇਰ ਤੱਕ ਖੇਡਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਅਚਾਨਕ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਈ, ਪਿੰਕੀ ਬੇਟਾ ਚਲੋ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਕਰੋ। ਇਹ ਉਸਦੀ
Self-reliance is a wonderful quality in a person. Self-reliance makes your talents shine. A self-reliant person is able to shoulder any responsibility that is given to him or her. A self-reliant person has the quality to rise above the odds, meet the toughest of challenges, using all his skills and resources and excel. Each one of you should strive to become self-reliant, be it in sports, studies, or in any other sphere that you have to contribute to take on the responsibility for oneself. Here's a story on how these girls explore the paths of self-confidence and self-reliance. The road to self-reliance.
ਝੂਠ ਇੱਕ ਬੁਰੀ ਆਦਤ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਰੋਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਫੀ ਦੇਰ ਤੱਕ ਖੇਡਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਅਚਾਨਕ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਈ, ਪਿੰਕੀ ਬੇਟਾ ਚਲੋ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਕਰੋ। ਇਹ ਉਸਦੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੀ। ਮੰਮੀ ਦੇ ਬੋਲ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੇ ਜਵਾਬ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਮੰਮੀ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਸੀ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਦੇ ਮੰਮੀ ਅਚਾਨਕ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹੀ ਸਗੋਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ। ਉਸ ਦੇ ਮੰਮੀ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ,
This was so because she was doted upon by her mother and father. Her mother had fallen ill and there was no one at home to help her dress in the morning. Maya told her friend Kirti that they were all worried about mother and was worried about Maya as to how she would manage dressing up and going to school on her own. She was in a mess that morning. She was unable to find her school uniform. The maid had forgotten to iron it as they were all with mother. When I saw mother, I had promised her that I would be more self-reliant and then I was unable to find
ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਰੋਜ਼ਾਨਾ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਕਾਫੀ ਦੇਰ ਤੱਕ ਖੇਡਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਅਚਾਨਕ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਈ, ਪਿੰਕੀ ਬੇਟਾ ਚਲੋ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਕਰੋ। ਇਹ ਉਸਦੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੀ। ਮੰਮੀ ਦੇ ਬੋਲ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੇ ਜਵਾਬ ਦਿੱਤਾ, ਮੰਮੀ ਮੈਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਈ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹਾਂ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਮੰਮੀ ਨੂੰ ਝੂਠ ਬੋਲਿਆ ਸੀ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਦੇ ਮੰਮੀ ਅਚਾਨਕ
Moms are wonderful. They are angels sent to us by God. Look, I will tell you how I get ready for school. Get your uniform and shoes and books ready the night before, iron them and polish your shoes too. If you keep your things the night before, you don't have to rush in the morning.
ਪਾਠ 14 ਝੂਠ ਇੱਕ ਬੁਰੀ ਆਦਤ। ਪਿੰਕੀ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੀ। ਪਾਠ 14
from school, changed her uniform, had a snack and went to the hospital to see mother. She returned home, finished her homework packed her school bag according to the timetable and got her uniform ironed for the next day. The following morning, Maya was up as usual, got dressed up well and had breakfast and was off to school. She kept up the routine what Kirti had advised her. When mother finally came, Maya was delighted to welcome her back. She continued doing all her work by herself and was self-reliant and responsible. Mother was happy to see her in her new avatar.
ਪਿੰਕੀ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਗੁੱਡੀ ਨਾਲ ਖੇਡ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਨੂੰ
Being self-reliant is very important to be successful in life. There may be days when you get up in the morning and things aren't the way you had hoped they would be. That's when you have to tell yourself that things will get better. There are times when people disappoint you and let you down. But those are the times when you must remind yourself to trust your own judgments and opinions, to keep your life focused on believing in yourself. Learn to accept challenges of life. It is up to you how to face them. There will be many challenges to face and changes to make in your life. But all these challenges can be resolved only through self-belief and confidence. Constantly keep yourself headed in the right direction towards success. Self-belief is the catalyst to success. It removes fear and empowers positive attitude in a person. It also motivates a person to go ahead in life. It is the duty of a person to identify the problematic areas and take remedial measures to improve life. Many famous personalities have achieved great success by having self-confidence and self-reliance. The best example in recent times is of Mr. Bill Gates. He left his studies at Harvard midway to follow his heart, and that is what made him the richest man in the world. This would obviously not happen with everyone, but one has to learn to know exactly what one wants to do. Thus, passion to work hard and belief in your ability to be self-reliant determines one's life. So have trust in yourself. Work hard towards your goal. Self-reliance is the key to success.